Let's face it, the holidays this year is going to be very different from the past. For the most of us, this year will be spent without the company of family and friends, without travel and much of the other usual festivities. Because of that, we might feel out of sorts, or even slightly depressed. I hope to bring to you in my own way a little diversion that may rekindle some joyful holiday spirits in you. Come join me on my journey of holiday treats and end with an evening tour of Filoli Gardens. Although it's a coffee chain, there's something about holiday drinks at Starbucks that gets one into the holiday spirits. Maybe it's the bright Christmas decorations and their festive cups. The aroma of fresh ground coffee and festive holiday music brings cheers to my heart. There's so many holiday drinks, but I still like this classic one the best, eggnog latte. This is exactly the lift I need on Wednesday afternoon. What is your favorite holiday drinks at Starbucks? Please comment below. To me, drinking out of this holiday cup marks the start of the holiday season. Shopping at Trader Joe's during the holidays is like visiting Santa's culinary workshop. So many things to discover and many items are holiday season only. I was looking for something evergreen and simple to spruce up my room for the holidays. Since having a tree is not going to sit well with my 2 cats, this will have to do. Now let's go make a holiday espresso drink. Since this machine is fully automatic, there's not much I have to do except insert a capsule and wait for a delicious shot of espresso to come out. Now it's time to combine the steamed milk and espresso. Tilt the cup with the espresso at an angle and pour the steamed milk in slowly. And in a circular motion as you go around the inside of the cup. You can finish off by drawing a fancy design if you like. My milk jug is rounded, so I won't be able to do much detail work. But adding a gingerbread man cookie from TJ's make it a holiday-worthy butterscotch latte. The aroma of espresso and butterscotch makes me think of ski vacations in Tahoe. Skiing in Tahoe may have to wait until next year, but I can have my latte now. And the gingerbread man cookie is seriously good too. Today, I'm not here for their delicious fried chicken. I've been trying to buy this for 3 days now. Finally got it without being sold out. Yes, it's beignets at Popeye's. They're only available around the holidays. They're made to order and chocolate filled. Making a pour over coffee using this origami dripper for the first time. Freshly made coffee and beignets are a match made in heaven. Lately, I'm trying this prepared meal service by chef.com. These are your local chefs, certified for food safety, and the meals delivered to you at your request. The menu varies weekly and by locality. Meals are very reasonable, usually under $10 an entree and well packed in insulated bag. Tom yum soup was quite hot, but can be diluted with a little water as needed. Since the meals are chilled, all you need to do is reheat and plate. Great for busy people, and who isn't these days? This has got to be the cafe with the coolest architecture I've been to locally. Just look at the size of the scale of the building. Inside is a coffee house for true coffee lovers. They serve Verve coffee and their baristas have great skills. Located next to 3 Crosses Church on top of a hill, it has magnificent view inside and out. During the holidays, they have this gigantic Christmas tree, richly decorated. It extends all the way up to the ceiling, very impressive and festive. Before COVID, this was a popular place for students and mobile workers looking for a place to work or study. I look forward to working from here again soon in the future. But for now, you can sit outside and enjoy the view. As we get closer to the holidays, I feel that we need to kick it up a notch. This is my favorite mochi donut place, and we're gonna DIY some. I love eating these, but I never thought it would be possible to create them ourselves. Let's open this up and see what's included. Donuts, frostings, toppings, shortening, and instruction card. I think we're good. So we put shortening into a pot, and once bubbles appear, the donut goes in one by one. The color tells us these are done. Drain them on a paper towel for minutes before dipping them in frostings and add decorations. Here are some of our creations. Look pretty good for amateurs, don't you think? Here's my favorite one. I'm having mine with mulled apple cider. Wow, these are yummy. We'll definitely try these again. Wow, the tickets here were certainly hard to get, but I'm glad I'm able to go this year. The stately English estate in Woodside, California is over 100 years old and property is 654 acres. It was first opened to the public in 1977. As one of the first few to arrive, I wanted to walk around the grounds and get a good look before it gets completely dark. Once you're within the compound, you feel like you are transported to another place and time. I really love their attention to all the details. Everywhere that's visible, it is a beautiful sight. Every path is a delight of twinkling lights and century-old foliage. The scale of these beauties leaves one speechless. Tonight's video is actually a big test of my newly acquired night video shoot skills. I have only one chance to get it right. As the sun quickly descends, I feel like I'm racing against the clock. Especially as more visitors arrive, I feel I have less chances to take the shots I want. And this is the shot I have in mind. This is the main house. Although not open to the public now, you really have to admire the architecture and the effortless beauty of the place. Talk about making a grand entrance. Wow. You can see the buds of this old magnolia tree are already formed. Can't wait to come back in the spring to see them as flowers. It is now much darker and you can see the place comes alive with all the lights. As I'm no longer racing against the sun, I feel more relaxed and I can take some really fun shots. Same set of trees as before an hour ago. Do you recognize them? I thought it would be fun to set up my tripod and pose with these string lights hanging from the trees. So I sat myself down and pretended I was talking to the lights. Next to me was actually a couple with the wedding photographers. They liked my pose and did the same right after. Their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas. Oh, this is a view of the clock tower if you're familiar with this garden. Totally different at night, right? Oh, snow is falling down. All the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, the hall across the pool seems to have some festivities. Let's go check it out. There is no shortage of Christmas trees here at this place. I think this is the third or fourth one I've seen today. All we're missing are Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus. I walked outside the room to take a break and get some fresh air. Night is getting cold. But I'm happy with the result so far. I'm getting a lot of ideal scenario shots tonight. This brightly lit tree was calling my name, so I came to visit it, and it is a gorgeous tree. On the other side of the pool, they're selling mulled wine and cider. That sounds really good right now. What is Christmas spirit? I think it's a lot more than lights and trees and festive foods. It's a feeling of benevolence that we, as all humans, should feel towards others. It's not gender specific or race specific. As 2020 comes to a close, I hope each one of you will take some time, really feel the benevolence and be kind to each other. Want to wish you all happy holidays and for all of us, a better and brighter new year ahead.